Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for my new Dell Inspiron 5000. I purchased it for about $600 from the store that I work at. Basically I was looking for something that I could do homework with, that I would be able to make YouTube videos with, stream gaming. As you can see, it comes in its base package here. Just a standard Dell box. So now I'm going to open the box here. And we'll see what all we have inside here. Oh. We have our part of our power cord, the rest of our power cord, cardboard packaging, actual laptop, and some owner's manual. Open this up. As you can see, it's got kind of a slate gray, kind of silver finish to it. Access ports there. Additional ports to the side here. So this is one of the 2-in-1 touchscreens. So as it opens, see the keyboard here, it does flip over and does double as a tablet. So the model that I purchased has the 15.6 inch screen. It's a 1920 by 1080 touchscreen. It has an i7-7500U dual-core 2.5 megahertz or gigahertz processor. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM. It has a standard hard drive with 1 terabyte of memory space. It currently has the Intel graphics 520 for its graphics processing. The ports it has 3 USBs, one 2.0 and two 3.0, a headphone mic jack, HDMI, USB, wireless networking, basically some other components that I'll need to pick up for streaming specifically. I need to still get a webcam, USB Ethernet adapter, wireless keyboard and mouse, and then should be all set for that, but that's basically what I have here. And let's see if I can't, I don't know if it'll have power.